Okay, guys, when it comes about Instagram highlights, what do we mean by Instagram highlights? You can see I have tips here, I have clients, I have ads, I have reviews. These are some of the things that once people get to your account, one, they already know about your things under your bio. And you can see my website on my bio. My bio is as simple as possible. Social media marketing, Facebook ads pro, business growth hack, web design landing page, top-notch ideas, income generator. You can see that may not convince you enough. You may want to see reviews or practical things that will give you insight of what I do apart from my post. So you can see, apart from the way my brand is appearing with just this navy blue and white color, you can still check on my tips. So you can click on this highlight. You can see these are the tips on my highlight. You can see, so these are posts. If you click on them, you can get to the normal post on my account and see what I wrote about them. You can see, so you can convert your post to a highlight, but first you need to design. These are my clients, these are clients, these are clients, these are clients, these are, you can see these are ads I've run, these are reviews from people. You get, so I have to keep them so that people get to my site, my Instagram account, and they see what interests them. So how do you now create these ones? So let's go to our brand, our key sample brand, Kingsword, and see what happens. So first you have to design what you'll be using as your brand, as your icon or your pictures. So now what I'll be doing is I will click on plus, I'll click on story highlights. You can see there is no story highlight, so you cannot choose. So first add a story first. So I'll click to add a story before I can be allowed to. So let me click on this. I already have this as a story, so let me click on this and submit. You can see share. You can see I also share this to my Facebook story, and I can also add this as a highlight. So what am I going to do? I'll click on add highlight. I will name it. I'll give it a name. I can put it as about us page. You can see, so I'll click on add, then I'll click on done. So you can see automatically share post and to Facebook. So I'll click OK. So I don't need to be stressing myself sharing to Facebook separately and to Facebook to Instagram separately. So I've already scheduled them. So let's see what comes up. Let's see. Okay, this is it. This is it. So now you can see I already have a highlight now, so I can click to add another highlight now. So before that I need to send a post, so I'll still send this post. I'll send this very one to my highlight. I'll click on send, click on add to story. I'll click this, I'll click on share. I'll click on story highlight, then I'll click on new and I'll add a new story. So I'll name it contact, contact, contacts, or our contact, our contact, our contacts. You can see I already have. I will click on done. It has been sent to both my Facebook status and Instagram status. So let's go back. Let's see if a story has been added. You can see, let's refresh. Another story contact has been added, and you can see the way I'm coming up with the brand. I decided to just do it with these pictures because I've not designed what I'll use. Once I design them, I'll change them to the real cover photo. You can see this is as unique as possible, and I'm going to also brand this highlight as unique as possible. So I will still go back. Remember, it's only these two pictures I have, so there's no point going over picking new pictures. So I'll click on new. Okay, I'll still need to send stories. So now the color I use is blue, so now I'll use this very one. I'm only trying to brand, so I'll click on I'll click as usual, next, click on story, click on new. This may be our services. I'll click on add, click on done. Our services have been added. So I can decide to pick the second one. I'm only using this because I am not uploading from my scratch and I don't have the pictures yet, but with time I'm going to update them. I will next click on share, ensure your story is selected, click on add to story. I'll click a new story. I'll name it reviews, or I'll say jobs, or delivered, or clients. You can see. So I'll click on OK, I'll click on done. Let's see what happens. Let's go back. You can see I already have 4 sections added to my highlights. You can see I have 4 sections added to my highlight. So once people step into my Instagram, they can decide to click on clients or the services you have to offer. So ensure you post also. Drop a post about your service so that these ones are static. Make a post about your service and upload them to the individual highlights. It's not everything you upload to your highlights. You can also add more to them. So maybe I can decide to add tips. So that was how you were able to see my very Instagram account having this. You can see this my Instagram account, and it's having tips, clients, ads, and reviews. So what you should add should be in line with your own brand name, not just, or your own brand, sorry, not just to be creating them because you know you can do it. No, you create them based on what you actually want and what your brand is doing. So that is how to go about that. And subsequently we'll be adding more things and other ways to enhance our brand visibility. If you want to go into social media management, or you want to manage your accounts to be professionally placed, these are some of the things you should do.